Alright, so today I will be doing a customization of this glueless HD lace, or I think it's Swiss lace wig from Naturally Lace. They're located here in Jamaica, and I've never ever installed a wig by myself from scratch, so I'll be doing that today. Look at the let me show. It's so nice. So I'm just gonna go ahead and remove this wig from my wig head, and then I'm gonna attach this and we're gonna customize it together. Hey lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I am, coming to you natural. I'm just here and I'm about to customize my glueless lace wig from Naturally Lace that I bought, and I'm excited to do this because it will be my first time actually customizing my own wig. Well, it's already fully customized, but I need to add things like the elastic to it, and I need to cut the lace, and I also will put like some wax to just let it lay down and flat iron it. So it's my first time doing all of that. Usually when I buy a wig I would go to my hairdresser. Well, I'd go to Naturally Lace and she would install it for me, but this time around I thought it was best, or I thought it would be very fun to actually do this on camera. This wig is a bob. It's a bob unit. On the website it's called a closure bob. I've done a frontal once some years ago. I really did not like it. I feel as though it was who installed it just did not do it properly, but I feel like the wig industry has evolved over the years, and so things are different. So very soon I'll try the lace, the fully, what do you call it, a closure. No, not a closure. I'll try a frontal, but for now I'll just stick to closures and glueless for as long as I can, because I don't necessarily want to wear a frontal. It's too high maintenance and I can't. So don't quote me on this, but I believe this is the Swiss lace, or if not the Swiss lace, this is the I believe this is HD. I'm not sure. So I got my very minimal baby hair to the side, so I need to fix these as well. And the wig is pretty lightweight, which is very good, and it's moving, and I love the color. Actually, I usually get very black hair. As you can see, that one is super black and that one is super black, but this one is a natural color. So yeah, I usually always do natural color, so I'm happy to get back into that groove. Maybe I'll need to cut the ends at the front because I don't want it to be like you see how it kind of slant. I don't want that. I want it to be very blunt, so maybe I'll have to cut the ends myself, and I will definitely have to customize the front. I'll have to cut the lace on the front. So let's go ahead and get into this. I'm just gonna go ahead and take off this wig that I have on it because I'm not gonna be wearing this wig. It smells so good. This one we're going to wear she, so we need to first bring this down, bring down the head, put this on too. Actually no, at this time I'm gonna sew this into it. So I'm just gonna start by putting the elastic here at the front where the lace is, and then the other side where the lace started. You see this? And then I'm gonna sew it in. So I'm gonna set you guys up better so you can watch me sew it. I mean, sewing is pretty self-explanatory, so I don't necessarily need to tell you guys how to sew it, but I'm gonna show you nonetheless, okay? How I would sew, or how I sew this wig. Just call me seamstress as of now. Cool. I'm just gonna go ahead and thread my needle, and I just have a regular needle, nothing special, and some black. So just regular needle and black thread. So I'm gonna double it so it's very, 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 very thick. It's so fine. I'm very sure you guys can't see this. do this. All right, so I'm gonna show you babies how I sew it. So I sewed this end already, and then over at this side now where you see the lace start right there, I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on it like so, and sew it in. So I'm just gonna sew it now. I'm not a hair person. I cannot comb it. I can't comb mine. I prefer to pay somebody. I can do my makeup. I can help myself with my nails. But when it comes on to anything I have to do with my hair, I just don't know how to, you know, do my head. Never ever. Might even the type where if I have to wash my hair, I have to go to the hairdresser. So you just want to make sure that you sew it as much as you need to, because you want it to be very secured. I did have to cut a piece off the elastic. As you can see, I cut off a piece because I really wanted it to be as tight as possible. So it's not that bad. I mean, you just have to know, say, it takes a little time, but it's not like it's super hard work. It's not. But just be careful with the needle, cause me there right now, I cut up myself. When you put it through like so, just make sure that when you pull it, it's tight. You just pull it tight. All right, I think that's good enough. I'm just gonna go ahead and make a little knot at the end. And then I'm just gonna cut it. So the first thing we're gonna do, we have this cap here, beautiful. We're gonna put the wig on it. Whew, wow. Putting it on, it's a little bit of a stretch. There's a lot of space in the head back, but we're gonna do what we have to do. This is what she's looking like. Set up where I can manage. That's the thing I want to say. This I'm gonna use a comb and just, you know, start to comb it. All right, so after you comb it now, I'll try to find the baby ear then. Ah boy, a week old. A week for true. I don't know why I never just. Am I starting to regret this already? Why I never just make it ear just do it? No, because more contentful, no? May I do this to myself. That's why. Content is important. Yeah. And that, you know. Oh, I already feel like it's enough for me, but let's not give up. Let's not give up. All right. So this is what the front is looking like at this time. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and what am I gonna do first? Do I straighten it first I'm gonna go ahead and straighten it. I'm gonna straighten it, and then I'm gonna fix the baby hairs, and then I'm gonna cut the lace off. That's what I'm gonna do. So let's straighten this. Let's straighten her. So this is the flat iron. I'll have to use these, some little pins, and pin down the front so that it stays in place. When you're enough, this is what happens. Never need to do this. You know that? Why me never just stick to my hairdresser? It's enough. I'm just gonna do the back. See, after this, I'm gonna have to call me hairdresser Josh. After this. The hair feels so good. I'm just cutting the baby hair a little shorter and some little hair on the side. Cut the mirror off. So it's all straight now. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my head and then try it on. I'm gonna put some wax stick on it at the front just to, you know, keep it down. I'll put some wax stick on it. Like so. And then I'm gonna use, and this is from Tracy D, and I'm gonna use the hot comb now and comb it down. So I'm just using the hot comb to press down the front. Well, look how laid this is. So now I'm just gonna set the baby hairs. For the baby hairs, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and use this edge control to hold them down. Wow, this is way harder than I expected. Baby hair, them now lay down. I'm gonna actually put on the wig. So firstly, you have to make sure so your hair is braided. Make sure so your ear cane roll. That's the first thing you have to make sure. So alrighty, so we're going based on the instructions that's in the box, and so it's saying the first thing, ensure your hair is braided back in small cane rows for desired flatness. Remember, the flatter the braids, the flatter the unit. So I already have that checked. My hair is cane row right now. I have cornrows or cane row, whatever, and they're super flat. Okay, so the next thing says, because units are ready to wear, there is no need to pre-wash. Okay, so there's no need to pre-wash. That was already done for you. The next point says, when cutting the lace, lift the baby hairs up and cut directly on the where the hair starts in the lace. And then it says you may need to straighten or curl depending on if the style has shifted during shipping. So we already straightened this and all of that. So at this point we're gonna put the, it says if you don't have a dark enough wig cap, you should use makeup to get the desired shade at the front that matches you. And then the next thing says you should put your wig cap on. I already have a wig cap, and this wig cap is dark. This wig cap is dark, so I'm just gonna put it on. As you can see, it's pretty dark. All right, and then it says home and style, so I guess you put this on now. All right, so basically now we're gonna cut the lace because we're almost through with everything, because this is what it's looking like at this time, and then I'm gonna put the lace on. All right, so this is the unit, all straight and everything. I'm just gonna put this on. So the elastic will make sure that, you know, it's fitted. This kind of feels small, you know. Let's see. Alright, so I just put the elastic down. Now I'm gonna put the wig. So I'm gonna put this at the front. The cap is at the, and then I'm gonna pull it down on my head. She's looking nice, or whatever. And there's a comb in the back. I'm just making sure that this is attached, that this sticks in my head properly. I don't know, what do you guys think? Remember, Samina do not go ear, you know, so Alright, so let me try to make sure that this is flat as possible. So yeah, and then the baby hair them the right there. So at this time now I need to cut the lace. That is what is happening right now. This is the part where I have to make sure I cross all my T's, right? So I'm nervous. I'm super nervous about this. Alright. Let's do this. Alright, make sure that the thing is up, the baby hair is up, and I'm just gonna figure this in. I'm gonna cut this. So we'll cut the first side. If something on yours, just leave it alone. I know it's not blended properly, and that's because tomorrow I'm gonna put makeup. Well, when I'm wearing the wig, I'm gonna put makeup on it, and that will do the trick. So it's gonna look super blended and super nice. Boy, I'ma just feel like in a life, if something on yours are just not yours. You know what I mean? And that's me and wigs. As in, I don't mind wearing wigs, you know, but customizing, definitely not for me. Alright, so I just installed. So I installed it, and then I'm gonna come back on camera and show you guys when I put makeup on this, how it looks. But as for now, this is the unit. It's a little bob wig, and I'll put some makeup on, fix my real edges properly, like here, and then show you what it's looking like. I'm not even gonna cut the ends really. It's blunt enough. I like it. It's flat. I just need to put makeup here because I need it to be dark. So yeah, I'm gonna come back on camera in 5, 4, 3, 2. All right, so this is the end product of the wig. This is what it's looking like, and you know what, I still didn't even put makeup on it, so this is just it. So just brush it and style it to how you want it to be, and you're good to go. Alrighty, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I had so much fun filming it. I'd even do a video like this again, to be very honest. So thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you guys in our next video soon, and yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Until next time, bye.